ZHEJIANG Shangyu OILSEAL Co. Limited, founded in 1969 Kata. It has a history of 54 years. The persistence and pursuit of the company's board of directors and employees witness the company's years of precipitation and prosperity. Company upholds, know what you want. It has wide popularity in the sealing industry. The company is located in the industrial zone of Ziayu Street, Shangyu District, Zhejiang Province. Convenient transportation, close to Hangzhou Ningbo Expressway, National Highway 329, and Jiaisao Cross River Bridge in Hangzhou Bay. We are guided by our customers' market demands. Annual production of more than 80 million seals of various types. Receive unanimous praise from new and old customers. The company's quality policy is to strive for excellence. Satisfied customers work together, building global credibility. The company is the National Rubber and Rubber Products Standardization Technical Committee, member units of the Sealing Products Sub-Technical Committee. National Hydraulic Pneumatic National Industry Standards Formulation Unit has participated in the drafting of 8 national standards and a number of R&D projects. The Isuzu car oil seal developed has been rated as a national new product. Undertake the National Torch Plan Project, run by one auto rubber oil seal, own 21 Chinese national patents. 3 of them are invention patents. The company has passed ISO 901200 and TS 16949 Quality Management System certification. Obtained Dongfeng Auto Parts Group Co. Limited, Dongfeng Fuji Thompson, Thermometer Co. LTD, ZHEJIANG Co. Limited, excellent suppliers of Super Home Electrical Appliances Co. Limited, and other companies. Quality Progress Award, honorary titles such as Innovation Award. The company has the right to import and export by itself products sold to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, South America, and other countries and regions. The company is a national high-tech enterprise, a production enterprise integrating scientific research and development and manufacturing. The company leads the production of skeleton oil seals, combined oil seal, high-quality shaft seal, food-grade seals, etc. For the automotive industry, household appliances, engineering machinery, agricultural and forestry machinery, suitable production of OEM sealing parts. The company has a complete automatic production assembly line, automatic production equipment, complete testing facilities, from product design and development to manufacturing, automatic rubber formula, metal skeleton stamping, surface treatment, vulcanization, injection molding, automatic lip cutting, complete production process, such as automatic product testing, mechanical engineer with rich experience in the company's testing center, technical verification of chemical engineers that trust customers, adopt full visualization, simulation, digital testing and analysis, ensure product quality meets customer needs. The river flows into the sea. The surging power is endless. Facing today, our above-mentioned PQK's dedication and sincerity give birth to a wide range of postures of high-quality oil seal, leading the innovation and development of the rubber seal industry